Today we are in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Driving the BMW 228i. This is the rear wheel drive version with the manual 6-speed, the track pack, and the M Sport package. So we've got the good brakes, the rear wheel drive, and this is a crazy mountain road. Chattanooga is a beautiful little town. I had no idea until I started dating Patrick that Tennessee was a fun place to be. Obviously, we've got Deal's Gap and the Tail of the Dragon, so everyone knows a little bit about Tennessee, but Chattanooga is a funky town. And there's a ton of coffee, super hip, and the roads are phenomenal. The road we're on goes up to Lookout Mountain, which is like the highest point in Chattanooga, I think. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Don't forget to respect the drive. Thanks for joining me on my little trip to Chattanooga.